if you were 25 years old, living in India, no crazy skill set at hand, and about $100,000 of money to start a business with, what would you do today?
I'd probably pick some AI thing and just use the Google, Microsoft platforms and go on top of that and because I'd be in touch with the customer so well and improving my data.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is Kelvin Jasi here. If you have ever dreamed of making money online without working 12 hours a day, without coding, and without being some tech genius, this video is for you. Because today I'm revealing the laziest ways to make money using AI in 2026. Yes, this means you can start right now, even if you are a complete beginner. So grab a pen, stay till the end, and let's dive right in. Number 1, AI content writing. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai can write blog posts, YouTube scripts, and ebooks in minutes. You can sell this content on Fiverr, Upwork, or even start your own niche blog and monetize with ads. Second way, YouTube automation channels. You don't need to show your face. AI can write your script, generate the video, create visuals, and even edit the video for you. Think of channels about facts, motivation, and luxury lifestyles, all automated. Third way, print on demand with AI art. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create unique art, quotes, or t-shirt designs. Then upload them to Redbubble, Etsy, or Teespring and let the passive income roll. Fourth way of making lazy money, AI voiceover services. With tools like 11 Labs or Play.ht, you can turn text into professional voiceovers. Offer this service for YouTubers, podcasters, or audiobook creators who need high quality narration. Number 5, AI powered resume and LinkedIn optimization. People pay real money to improve their resumes. Use AI to analyze and rewrite resumes, then charge for it on Fiverr or LinkedIn. Number 6, faceless TikTok or Instagram reels. AI generates motivational quotes, realistic voices, and viral short clips. Post daily, grow your page, and monetize with affiliate links or sponsorships. Seventh way, AI stock image selling. Generate unique AI photos or concept art and sell them on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Creative Market. Every download earns you money. Number 8, AI chatbots for businesses. Create simple chatbots with tools like Chatbase or BotPress and sell them to small businesses. They help automate customer service, and business owners love that. Number 9, AI script writing for short films or ads. Offer script writing services powered by AI. You provide ideas, AI polishes them, and you deliver creative scripts faster than traditional writers. Number 10, create and sell AI courses or tutorials. If you learn how to use AI tools, teach others. Create mini courses and sell them on Gumroad, Udemy, or even your own website. Before I go on to the top 10, please consider liking this video so that YouTube algorithm can know that you are learning something useful on Kelvin Jasi Mindset. Let us proceed with the top 10. Number 11, AI-powered ebooks. AI can write, format, and even illustrate your ebook. Publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and earn passive income. Way number 12, AI for dropshipping. AI tools can now help you find trending products, write product descriptions, and even automate customer responses. You just manage the profits. Number 13, AI music generation. Use tools like Suno AI or Udio to make background music for videos, podcasts, or games. Sell your tracks on royalty-free music sites. Number 14, AI social media managers. Small businesses need content, captions, and posts. AI can do that, and you can charge a monthly fee to manage their pages with minimal effort. Number 15, AI idea generation for entrepreneurs. Sell ideas. Yes, literally. Use AI to generate business ideas, content plans, or startup concepts and sell them as digital PDFs or consulting sessions. And there you have it, 15 of the laziest ways to make money using AI in 2026. The truth is, AI is not replacing people. It is replacing people who refuse to adapt. If you start learning these tools now, you will be miles ahead of everyone else. Join my membership program here on YouTube for early access to new videos, exclusive tutorials, and members only content that I don't post publicly. Because in 2026, knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is. Thanks for watching. I'm Kelvin Jasi, and I'll see you in the next one.